In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pull new code from an updated repository in GitHub Desktop. If your team has pushed changes and you want to make sure your local copy reflects the latest work, the safest way to handle that in GitHub Desktop is by working with branches. This keeps your updates organized and helps you avoid overwriting your own work while you get the newest code. Start by opening GitHub Desktop. Give it a second to load your repository and make sure you're looking at the project you intend to update. You'll see the current branch shown near the top of the window. That's the context for everything you do next. Next, open the branch menu. This is where you control the flow of work between different lines of development. Using branches is essential when you're syncing with new code from others because it lets you separate your in-progress changes from the code that just arrived from the remote repository. Choose New Branch. Creating a fresh branch gives you a clean workspace based on the branch you're currently on, typically the default branch or whichever one you're tracking for updates. This way, any edits you make won't interfere with the incoming updates, and you can test or review changes safely. Type in a clear, descriptive name for your branch. Good names make collaboration easier and help you remember why the branch exists. Consider naming it after the task you're doing, like feature, fix, or update, followed by a short description. The name doesn't change how Git works, but it will definitely help you and your teammates stay organized. Click Create Branch. GitHub Desktop will set up that branch locally. If you already had some uncommitted edits, the app will guide you on how to handle them so you don't lose anything. At this point, choose whether to leave my changes on the current branch or bring my changes to the new branch. Leaving your changes on the current branch keeps them isolated where they are, which is helpful if you want the new branch to be a clean slate. Bringing your changes to the new branch moves your in-progress work there, which is useful if you want those edits to travel with you as you sync up with the latest code. Finally, use Switch Branch to move between branches as needed. This is where you can jump to the branch that tracks the updated repository, then move back to your working branch to continue. Switching ensures you're viewing and working against the newest code on the branch you select, making it easy to review updates, test compatibility, and proceed with confidence.